Stampers, welcome back to my studio. I always love having you stop by, and today we're going to do another Christmas card. Today I'm going to be using stamps from two different companies. The first one is going to be from Fun Stampers Journey, and that's where I got the Season's Greetings is from Sparkle Trim. And again, this is from Fun Stampers Journey / Spellbinders. I just love that little font. It's small. It fits in this area so perfectly. And the other one is from Impression Obsessions. This ornament is to die for. It's absolutely gorgeous. And if you want any of these products, all you have to do is click on my links below. Those are my affiliate codes. Once you're inside the Impressions Obsessions store, you can buy anything that you want. You check out of there, and then you can go to the Fun Stampers Journey / Spellbinders, and you can click on that one, and you can shop and shop and shop, and then check out from there also. So this is the ornament stamp, like I said, from Impressions Obsessions. I wanted to show you a couple of other cards that I did. And it's really hard to show anything that's on mirror paper, okay? But this one is done with just gold embossing powder on top of the brushed gold on top of the gold mirror paper. It came out absolutely beautiful. And then I just added some bling to it. Looks absolutely gorgeous. It's even prettier in person. And like I said, you just don't see the beauty of it when you're looking at it on camera. And this one right here I did on black paper. And what I did was I used some mixed media. I used some gesso underneath here to seal the paper, and then I just colored over the top of it with my acrylic paints from Fun Stampers Journey. I love the way it came out. It's just very different. So you can take and you can get a lot of different looks with this same stamp. It's absolutely beautiful. This one right here is from Impressions Obsession. I love it. All right, so let's begin. This is super easy. Again, if you have to crank out a bunch of Christmas cards, this is a great one to do because it doesn't take that long at all to do. So I'm just going to grab some of my whipped cream cardstock. I'm going to grab my black licorice ink from Fun Stampers Journey and my stamp from Impression Obsession and just ink it up. Just bring in some scrap paper, grab my embossing powder. There we go. Let's grab a little bit more. Okay, there we go. Just throw this over to the side. Add it back to my container. And we're going to heat this up. Okay, so I like to heat it on the top and then heat it underneath, and when I heat it underneath, it just flattens the paper back out again. So this one doesn't have a lot of coloring into it because I wanted to keep it very, very simple, and just the elegance of the white and the black just absolutely sets it off. So I'm going to use my Copic markers to color, and I will tell you that I did forget to color one of these. So I'm just going to do that now. I found that out as I was showing it, but I wanted to show you that I just can just finish it up just like this. Okay, and then grab a little bit of my dark and blend it all together. There we go. Okay, now I'm going to do the same thing on this one. So I'm going to start with my yellows, and I'm just going to color away. going to do is go on to the red. I think one of my favorite reds is this R29. It's called Lipstick Red. I just love how bright it is. And I'm going to go over it with my R39. Just kind of outline it. There we go. And then let's put it together. I'm going to use a black base, but I'm going to take and cut the inside of my black out. I always do this. And now we'll put our card together. So I'm going to take some of my Easy Glide. And add that to, here we go, my base right here. And then we're just going to add this to the back end of that. Let me just go. There we go. And now what I'm going to do is add some of my Gina K crystalline drops to make my berries just kind of pop. And this takes a little bit of drying time, but not very much. This is a very fast card. There we go. And then we'll just let that dry. And that is our card for today. It looks cloudy, but when it dries nice and clear, and it gives you that little glossy look. Let me just show you. So very pretty. I hope you enjoyed my post for today. You know how to get a hold of me. If you have any questions, I'm always here to help. And remember to go below and click on my affiliate links and just start to shop. If you need to go to my blog, up in the upper right-hand corner, there's a little I. You can click on that, and that'll take you right to my blog post. If you have any questions, like I said, you know how to get a hold of me. You take care, have a great day, and thank you for stopping by.